Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. We're unboxing the Witch's Roots box for the month of February, and I'm so excited because all the boxes this month have been so magical. Be sure to check them out. They're linked down below, guys, and they're amazing. I'm wearing the pendant from this month's Witch's Bounty box, guys, and it's just a beautiful piece of amethyst, and I just love it. Can you guys see all the incense burning? It's like really magical looking right here. I wonder if it's picking it up on the video. Maybe I should move this incense burner a little higher up here. But anyways, let's open this up. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here. So this is what it looks like. There's a little info card and all the stuff in here. So I'm going to take this little piece off and see what the theme is for this month. So it looks like it says the spirit well is the theme for this month. As our spirit grows older and wiser each season, we begin to choose love over hatred, understanding over judgment, and progress over stagnation. We find this through the continual effort of connecting with our vulnerabilities and working to heal our past traumas and misunderstandings. The world around us begins to become more vibrant and full of affirmative energy when we work through the healing process. We connect with our empathetic self, which sways close to the spirit realm, able to find glimpses of new information and wisdom through heightened sensitivity. In this very special collection, we work with a variety of tools to bring us healing, growth, protection through connecting with our more sensitive and spiritual characteristics of self. Such a beautiful message, guys, and let's see what's in here. Oh, I get a tarot card too. Beautiful, so I can't wait to work with this tarot card. And let's see, there's also this beautiful Chalice of Wells Book of Shadows artwork. And then there's also another book of artwork for elderberries. So how magical. I'm just in love with how this looks, guys, and everything is always packaged so good, so I want to show you guys how nice everything's packaged so nothing's gonna break. I'm gonna take all the stuffing out and continue unboxing this with you. So guys, it looks like we have some eucalyptus incense. I cannot wait to burn this. It's just such an awesome scent, guys. It's strong, but when you pair it with other oils and stuff, it smells good. We also have some elderberry, and let's see what it says about this magical herb, guys. It says, elderberry, Sambucus nigara. Elderberries are found on the elder tree, specifically the black elder, formerly known as being a flower shrub in the honeysuckle family. These specific berries come from the Eastern Europe. Although the berries are commonly used for creating a variety of infusions, the leaves and stems are known for being toxic and poisonous. The elder tree is thought to possess wonderful magical powers and abilities due to being inhabited by the tree spirit known as the Elder Mother. It is due to this fact that dowsing rods and other divinationary tools are found crafted from the wood of the elder tree. Though many pagan traditions, elderberry has been a long-lasting respect associated with its energies. The elder tree is specifically associated with the elderberry, also carries a unique ability to induce vivid dreams in connecting us with benevolent spirits. It is crafted from a branch that has fallen from this tree. It is said to produce music that is enjoyed by the spirit world. The energies of elder represent the coming together of opposites in all aspects, including elderberries within your dream pillow or magical sachets to assist you in astral travel and spirit contact. If worn as a charm, elderberries can protect you from from psychic and physical attacks from others. So beautiful, guys. Thank you for this magical herb witch's moon. This box is so neat, and it looks like we also have a beautiful, whoa, it's falling out of my hands, this beautiful blue pouch. The sachet has a magical necklace in it. It looks like, let's see what it says. This necklace says everything is interconnected and has a beautiful magical symbol on it right here, guys. So this is the Chalice Well pendant, guys. It's said to be in almost constant use for at least 2,000 years. The Chalice Well carries deep and mystical energies, also known as the Red Spring. The Chalice Well is found near Chalice Hill in Glastonbury, England, and issues over 25,000 imperial gallons of water a day. The well and spring continue to provide water during the droughts. In addition to being known as the gateway to the spirit world, the chalice well and water within is said to possess healing qualities. This beautiful and unique pewter necklace represents the chalice well. On the back of this pendant is the following inscription: everything is interconnected. As you wear this pendant, allow it to remind you of your continual path of growth as well as your connection to the spiritual world that surrounds you. How beautiful, guys. I love it. It's so magical, and I definitely feel goosebumps with what they said. So let's pop this on. Went on like a champ. How cool. So what a neat pendant, guys. It looks like there is also something inside of here. I think it's their spell candle, and it looks like it's anointed with some stuff on here, guys, so it may be a little bit more messy, so I'm going to keep it in the pouch. But how beautiful. And when they anoint it like that, I just love how I don't have to do it myself. It's done for me, so thank you, Witch's Moon. This is the Victory Growth Mini Spell Candle. We have hand rolled the Victory Growth Mini Spell Candle with the intentions of providing you with space, silence, and stillness as you journey through healing and shadow working rituals. So beautiful, guys. I'm just like, oh, I just love their spell candles. They always burn so clean. So now we got a ritual body spray, guys. So this ritual body spray, it smells so good, guys. The other one that was like the Luna aura spray was like the divine feminine energy, and this smells like the divine masculine energy. It smells so good. It says this Neptune Ritual Aura Spray. We are thrilled to be able to introduce our Neptune Ritual Aura Spray within this special collection. This very special blend was created to strengthen your intuition, release your judgments, and bring you closer to your creative self. We have created this aura spray with the oils of spearmint, peppermint, lemon, and rosemary lemongrass. Lemon verbena as a special mixture of our higher self magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Shake well before use. Be cautious when using the spray, as some may be more sensitive than others. Start spraying it in the air 3 to 4 feet away from you for external use only. So magical. I love that. And it looks like one of the last things in this box, guys, is this little piece of lepidolite. Ooh. So this is a rough piece of lepidolite, guys. It's so pretty. So this is the rough lepidolite stone, one of the most effective calming stones. Lepidolite can be a wonderful companion on your journey of healing and self-discovery. This beautiful stone brings harmony and patience into our space and ritual. Keep this stone with you as you travel or place as you perform your magical workings. The elemental association with this stone is water, too. It also looks like we have a tea in this box, guys. It's the Elixir of Life, so super magical. So thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for another amazing subscription box. I'm in love with it, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. Let the Witch's Moon know that I sent you guys. Check them out. I have them linked down below. They have such amazing items, and they're just awesome. And like always, guys, from heaven to earth, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, Goddess Hecate, her daughter, and the full moon's light, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated in their loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.